Hello guys, welcome again for another great video. Remember, my name is Seal, and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So today I want to give some tips to many of you who may want to get started with affiliate marketing, but you don't want or you don't know how to make a landing page. So today, the video of today is about how to get started with affiliate marketing for free and without a landing page. So I'm going to show you many types of things you can do, and you can do it right now with your affiliate links and all that without making a landing page. So basically, a landing page is as two as two goals. Either you want to collect emails or you want to make direct sales with your leads or with your traffic. But I highly recommend you to learn how to make a landing page. In fact, I will put some link below in order to help some of you to learning better. But for now, just to get started, I'm going to share with you my screen. And before that, I just want to say that if you want to start to promote your link without having to make a landing page, it's completely easy and free. The first thing I will recommend you is to be on Facebook, because Facebook is one of the most populated social media right now. So with Facebook, you can directly interact with people even if you don't know them. They don't have to know you, they don't have to be your friend, but you can exchange, have some conversation. So yeah, that's the things you can do. So what is the model? For me, the model is to be close to the person inside of your niche. And once you are close to them, or once you have found them, start to create some content with value to those people. I'm going to share my screen with you to show you some example of kind of things you can do. But the first thing, or the best thing you really need to do, is to first create consistently valuable content. Give those people value. Don't come and just spam sending your links everywhere, but make sure that before you send your link, you start answering to some questions. You start just commenting. In fact, the things I recommend you to do is just to comment the post of other people inside of your niche. For me, as an affiliate marketer and in the how to make money online business, I used to comment on other people's posts. So that's the way I can exchange with them. I can put some smiley and many kind of things. And if somebody asks a question in a post, you can answer to the question and also put your link in the comments, or I don't know, or somewhere inside of your answer. The other thing will be for you to be with some Facebook groups. That's in fact the way where you're going to find all those people inside of Facebook groups, and also leaders, affiliate marketing leaders pages, because there you're gonna find a lot of people. They are beginners, they are advanced people, so you can find all those people there. So the first thing you really need to go, the first place you need to go is on Facebook. And the other things again with Facebook is that you can use Messenger to directly recommend or promote your link to some of your friends who may be interested. And I repeat, don't do in a spammy way, don't be salesy, just have a normal conversation, build trust and relationship. First, think about how you can help the person, and not how you can make a sale. And eventually, if you achieve the first goal, you will be achieving the next one. So that's the first thing. The next thing you can do is to be on YouTube. Yes, YouTube is for me one of the best. In fact, YouTube is even better than Facebook. Let me explain you why. Because with Facebook, you have the advantage to have that direct conversation, direct exchange with people. And if you are really lucky, you can make a sale right away. You can just have somebody, one, two, three, or five, I don't know, but you can make a sale. But this sale will just be for that moment, or you will need to always come with new post with the same link. You're gonna remake the process every time. But with YouTube, the beauty of YouTube is that when you make a video like this for the first time, for one time, this video will remain on YouTube, especially if you have done some very good keyword research. You make sure that your video is ranking very well on YouTube, even on Google. You have Google and you have YouTube, so people will come maybe this year, this month, this week, or in 3 years, 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days. So your content that you will put online will just be like a circle. It will just be automated. You don't need to do something else once that you have done your first video. So I highly recommend you to be on YouTube. And don't forget, the principle is always the same. Give people value first, and then you will start to receive trust back, and the trust will be translated by them to purchasing your stuff. And with YouTube, the secret is to be consistent, and consistent, guys. So yeah, the other way you can go is on Instagram. For me, I believe that Instagram is really a good place. You can start to promote, add your link in your biography. Yeah, and just as I've said before, by the type of content, the type of value you're going to provide to people, they're going to trust you. So yes, that's another place for you to go. So you see, all those platforms are completely free. The only thing you have to do is to create valuable content. And how can you create valuable content? Either you have some ideas, you have some experience to share. Either you can also go and share other people's content, other people's images, photos, things that you relate to. So this is the way you can do it with those social media platforms. And for those of you who want to work harder, I'm not really for that, but for those of you who want to give a try, you can also go with a blog with WordPress, because it's completely free. And for me, I think that a blog also works like a YouTube video, because once you have done all the hard work on posting, on ranking, your SEO, and all this stuff, your video will start to show up every time somebody will search your specific keyword. So remember, all the advice I'm giving on to you right now, you can apply it in any type of niche you are. So I'm going to show you, just to finish, a quick example on what I'm talking about on my Facebook account, just to show you how you can go. So yeah, here is a Facebook content. On my Facebook account, as I told you, I'm in a make money online business. So I'm most with people inside of my niche. I have them in order to learn from them, and also to make some proposal, or to post some links as I've told you. So look at this one, for example. He has put a link here. Here's my 3-step formula to get, you can. And here you see, after all the things you have finished to write, he puts a link here. In fact, this link we bring people to another page where they will be able to read the full message. And at the end of that message, the guy will have his link there. So now you have, for 200 people who like this post, and another 300 people will comment it. So on the comment section, you can put your link there. Not always, but sometime if the kind if it's a question, for example, you can add your link there and it's ready to go. So yeah, this is the way you can do it, guys. Have some pictures of you just providing value, encouraging people inside of your niche, and by doing that you can put your links at some places. So the other way, in order to find the people inside your niche, you just need to come here on Facebook research tool. And for example, if you search affiliate marketing, I've already typed it, but you can search a type, any type of niche you are in. And here you will see the different Facebook groups or pages that you really need to get into in order to find those people that you will be exchanging with. So that's the way you can do it. So the another way is to be on Google. Google, you just come here, for example, let's say I've searched for affiliate marketing forums. Yeah, I didn't say that, but you can also go on forums. Forums are a very good place in order for you to promote your links without having a landing page. So you can go there and just answer people's questions, just be present. And once you've done that, you put your link. A great place to go is Quora. You know, Quora is a very good place where you can go. And there are tons of affiliates forum online. You can go there and it's completely free. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, guys. I hope that you learned something new from this video. I really hope that you're going to take action right now. So if that's the case, I want to thank you again for watching this video. Thank you. Remember, my name is Sin, and here you are in Trauma Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So I say you bye-bye, and guys, guess what? Let's just say take care. All right.